Rolling over your policies and procedures manual is quick and easy. Start with creating a new manual. You can do so by naming it according to the award year or whatever works best for your institution. Create a new manual, click on the button. Now the rollover process is about 3 clicks. You start with clicking on any section of the policies and procedures manual, and you can pre-fill with existing data from any other policies and procedures manual that's been created by your institution or organization. Click Proceed. Now, if you click on any section of the manual, you will see what was there before, and then you can make your edits. Once you make your edits, this last updated will be updated with the current date, and it'll also show who made the update. Once you've made your changes, you click Save, and now you're ready to get started with updates to your policies and procedures manual.